Hi, it's January 24th, 2016. I'm Mike Callahan, your host of the Watchman News. And now we're going to play a clip of a lady by the name of Jody Fleck from, or at least there in Crook County, at their town hall meeting. So without further ado, here's Jody Fleck.
I'm Jody Fleck. I'm from Post. I've been here about 20 years. I'm a transplant from Malala. The very first thing that I have an issue with this type of proposal is, you know, we're here, and they want us to be here. And somewhere in the midst of things, we always end up somewhere in the middle. And we need to have some leadership that's going to stand up and say, no, we don't want to move forward. In fact, we need to go back a little bit in time. We need to have for the citizens of this county based on their history, their lifestyle, and the way that they want to do things moving forward. We can control these forests ourselves. We don't need to make some compromise in the middle. We need to stand up and we need to say not only no, but hell no. And I take issue with Oregon Wild saying there's been some misunderstandings. I heard their spokesman stand up and tell me that there's been a vast increase in the population of Crook County. I asked her for her source. She told me I misunderstood her, that she meant Central Oregon. I asked her for her source. She had no source of an increase of population. And she's telling me that I'm misunderstanding what she's saying? I sent them a 3-page letter asking for definitions. I've read a 2012 report that talks about MRAs, the Mount Hood, the rattlesnake, and the Hell's Canyon that Mr. Kaiser referred to earlier. And those reports, they say, some of those proposals that were on the table, that the people making the decision when they left the table and ended up being legislation, were completely different than what they had agreed on. They had changed their identity from the time it left the table till the time that it was proposed, that it was legislature. This is lies. This is not something we're going to compromise on. We need to say no to it. And one thing in that report, I was looking at the economic impact study, and in their report, they said that the quality of life by having this national recreation area was more important than the economy of the local area. Who in the heck? So people that want to enjoy our backyard can at our expense. How many people have left this county for other jobs that are gone? Thank you.